Manifestation is not just about your mind, it's about your energy. When your chakras are aligned, your intentions flow through an energetic pathway from the root of your being to the crown of your consciousness. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to manifest by activating and channeling energy through each chakra, from root to crown. Why use chakras for manifestation? Chakras are energy centers that connect body, mind, and spirit. Each chakra governs a different aspect of life: love, intuition, and spiritual connection. Step-by-step chakra pathway. Step 1. Root chakra. Ground your intention. Location: base of spine. Theme: safety, survival. Practice: visualize your intention as a seed planted deep in the earth. Feel safety and security in knowing you are supported by life itself. Affirmation: I am safe. My manifestations are rooted in stability and trust. Step 2. Sacral chakra. Infuse passion and creativity. Location: lower abdomen. Theme: desire, creativity. Practice: imagine your seed glowing orange, infused with joy, passion. Affirmation: I create with joy. My desires flow freely. Step 3. Solar plexus chakra. Empower with will and confidence. Location: upper abdomen. Theme: power, self-belief. Practice: visualize a golden sun fueling your seed with confidence and determination. Affirmation: I have the power to create my reality. Step 4. Heart chakra. Align with love and compassion. Location: center of chest. Theme: love, connection. Practice: breathe into your heart, radiating green or pink light around your manifestation. Ask: does this desire align with love for me and for others? Affirmation: I manifest in harmony with love and the highest good. Step 5. Throat chakra. Speak your truth into existence. Location: throat. Theme: expression, truth. Practice: speak your manifestation clearly and confidently. Affirmation: I speak my desires into reality with clarity and truth. Step 6. Third eye chakra. Envision with intuition and clarity. Location: between eyebrows. Theme: vision, intuition. Practice: visualize your manifestation as if it already exists. Use your inner screen to see yourself living in that reality. Affirmation: I see my vision clearly. My intuition guides me. Step 7. Crown chakra. Surrender to divine will. Location: top of head. Theme: connection to source, divine alignment. Practice: imagine your intention rising upward, merging with universal consciousness. Affirmation: I surrender my desires to the highest good. I am one with the universe. Integration: circulating energy back down. After sending your manifestation upward, visualize divine light flowing back down through your chakras. This grounds the energy back into the physical realm. Imagine the seed now sprouting in the root, nourished by divine guidance. When you manifest through the chakras, you're aligning your entire being with the universe.